I am responding to Mr. Ajam's comment. First of all, he is right that there are several other areas that are not part of PMBOK, in addition to the two that I mentioned, HSC management and regulatory management. Okay? He mentioned about methodology and sustainability. But in the same process, then I figured that more areas are also not included in PMBOK out of my projects, the way as I would look into it. I found out that reliability and maintainability is not there. Value engineering and constructability is not there. Operations management, well, one could say it is a part of the five phases execution, but as such, operations management is a big subject, is not there. HAZOP, it is a hazard operability study. Then we have dismantling and restoration. Our projects, which are 20 years, offshore, for example, once they are installed, they ought to be removed and the natural landscape has got to be restored. So that is also a part of the scope of work. Okay. But then, having looked into, some of them are part of the five phases of project management life cycle, which is include initiation, planning, execution, monitor and control, and completions. But one thing I noticed that I'm not in favor of increasing the number of the current number of 10 facets of PMBOK. But I suggest that the missing ones, they should be housed in these existing 10s. Okay? So far, with 10, we have obviously integration, scope, time, cost, quality, risk, procurement, HR, communication, and stakeholder. So far, we seem to be in agreement with to rename procurement management as supply chain management, and that includes logistics in it. But then we need to keep our discussion on so that we could see other areas where they could be housed in these existing 10 facets of PMBOK.